health rights as enshrined in the Constitution, as well as matters agriculture in the areas of farming, as well as manufacturing. So this afternoon, all eyes, the whole nation is currently watching Parliament of Kenya this afternoon to hear from the president, who is mandated through the Constitution to address the nation every year. This is pursuant to Article 132, subsection 1 of the Constitution, that provides for the president to address a sitting of Parliament once every year. And our dear viewers, Article 132, subsection 1B and C further dictates that every year the president is expected to report in an address to the nation on the measures taken to achieve the realization of the national values of the Republic, and equally submit a report for debate to the National Assembly on the progress made in fulfilling the international obligations of the Republic. This report that will be submitted this afternoon is scheduled for debate from Monday next week. Remember, the National Assembly has already adjusted its sittings for the next 2 weeks, so to speak. And among the priority business is the consideration of the president's speech on the State of the Nation address. This year's address is coming technically about a fortnight after the swearing in of Deputy President Professor Kithure Kindiki. And we expect the president to address the measures taken to achieve the matters of national security, national values, and also highlight the achievement of his administration, such as the rollout as well as the uptake of the new Social Health Insurance Fund, popularly known as SHIF, that replaced the National Health Insurance Fund, also known as NHIF. So the president is currently with the speakers of the National Assembly as well as the Senate, where the president is expected to brief them as well as sign the voters' book, bearing in mind that the president is a visitor today in the presence of Parliament. Thereafter, the president will be ushered into the chamber this afternoon by the both speakers of the National Assembly as well as the Senate. I'm speaking about Speaker Moses Wetangula as well as the Speaker of the Senate, Honorable Amason Jeffer Kingi. Before them will be the sergeant at arms, and here I mean the key bosses of the matters to do with the proceedings of the both houses of Parliament, technically making their way into the chamber this afternoon. And immediately after, the sergeant at arms carrying the mace make their way or do that step into the chamber this afternoon. The members of the National Assembly as well as senators present and dignitaries present